if you exist, please remove this migraine now and for the rest of my days, if it is your will. If you are willing to do that, I humbly ask for the migraine to go away. If it does not go away, I ask that it has some purpose, some benefit for myself or others to have this pain. Perhaps it's making me humble enough to ask with humility to see the 22-digit number. If I see that number, then I will presumably know that I'm not alone. And then we can begin to communicate, and I can do your will. I don't want to operate from my will. It hasn't worked out for me. Every time I have a fear, a desire, an aversion, a resentment, I hope to remember, I pray to remember that I must confess that it is unmanageable. It's unmanageable to operate from those emotions, and it is unmanageable to try to remove those emotions because I'm a human. And in the face of that unmanageability, I'm reminded that if I only saw this 22-digit number, this 1 in 2.4 quadrillion possibility, if it were to appear on these lists of numbers, that presumably my heart would be filled as my mind would be blown, and I'd be appreciative and knowing that you exist and that you sent me this number in my hour of need. But I have to confess that when I look at the numbers, there's part of me that's afraid of seeing the number, of what it would mean and what do I do, despite how much I want it. And I have to confess that part of me wants to be numb or indifferent because it hurts to want something and not have it fulfilled. Spend minutes or hours looking at random numbers, hoping to see a sign, and I'm not a little bit numb, then it could be a very painful thing to do. So I confess, and you've already seen, if you exist, you've seen these challenges I'm having. I also notice some defects of character, some pettiness, some jealousies, some complaints, some willfulness, some ambition. All these things take me away from humbly asking you to show me the number, and from looking at a series of numbers to see if the number has been sent. I humbly ask for this migraine to be removed. I humbly ask for my mood to brighten. I humbly ask to be sent the number.